Hey guys, not a lot going on at the restore today. We just had our half price sale, so it's been pretty quiet. Here's a 5-blade great knee thing, missing the mounting bracket, and we didn't have a correct mounting bracket for it, so it's just chilling up there until we do. Completely sold out of fans up here for the moment. So that Sears is still here. This, I'm assuming, latex generic thing came in. It came in last week. We finally got it out today. This Encon Casanova came in last week. We got it out today. This low profile came in today. Design House is still here. Hampton Bay outdoor fan. Not carousel. I can't remember what they're called. Whatever. The Hampton Bay outdoor fan came in today. This we put out last week, but it survived the half price sale. This survived the half price sale. This Encon we put out last week. It survived the half price sale. Can't believe this is still here. I really want it to sell. This is probably the fan that's been here. Sorry, go ahead. This is probably the fan that's been here the longest. I can't believe that's not sold. This went out last week, survived the half price sale. This went out last week, survived the half price sale. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.